Alrighty, here we go. The calm before the storm, although the winds have already started to pick up. They kind of started picking up last night as well. But for now in downtown Rhinelander, outside the winds, kind of a calmer start for now. And the keyword is for now. We're watching a system that is currently developing, tracking from the southwest to the north and east. We can see some moisture up in northwestern Wisconsin. I don't think that's hitting the ground just quite yet, but further off to the south and west, we have a lot of moisture that will be hitting the ground rather soon. Showers and storms over in parts of Iowa, and just to the north and west, snow falling, even some thunder snow taking place with this area low pressure that's tracking off to the north and east, even a severe thunderstorm warning in eastern parts of Iowa this morning. Now, the pressure gradient, the isobars, I plotted this because they are tight. They are very stacked together, and when that tends to happen, that kind of keeps the snow closer to the area low pressure, and that is why the forecast for the system has been rather tricky. And this is all tracking off towards the north and east, heading in our direction. And as that continues, the winds will continue to pick up. Futurecast moving forward. Again, just wind this morning and clouds. By around noon to 1 o'clock, the system gets going with a lot of snow on the way, heavy, wet snow across the area. So we have the snow on the trees, gusty winds up to 40 miles per hour. That may knock some branches and trees down and mess with power outages as well. Travel difficult, if not impossible as well for some locations. But then later on tonight, in parts of Thursday morning, the snow backs off, the winds continue, and the clouds will slowly begin to break up as we head towards early Thursday morning. A lot of sunshine expected for your Thursday. Thursday night, some more gusty winds again, and some more clouds that will move back into the picture for your Friday. So because of all this, we have winter storm warnings posted for the areas in pink. It's kind of changed a bit. We're now including more of our southern counties with winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings. Vilas and Price counties downgraded to a winter weather advisory this morning. Still expecting some snow, just not as much. And again, that cutoff to the north and west will be rather tricky with the system. So the main takeaway here, we have it arriving by around noon to 1 o'clock. So expect difficult travel conditions as the snow and winds continue. It'll start off as rain and snow across the area, especially further down to the south, but it will transition to all snow. Heavy wet snow and wind will be the main issue, so expect down trees and of course some power outages as well, courtesy of the system. But for now, here's what we have for the snowfall totals. Take a good look at this map. In the pink areas, very narrow, 5 to 8 inches of snow possible in that pink shaded areas. And then in the blue, 3 to 5 inches of snow possible. And then in the white, 1 to 3 inches of snow. And then of course in parts of the UP, close to 8 to 10 inches of snow there. To the north and west, the big question mark right now, some areas could see even less than 5 inches of snow or even a little bit more. The trick to that will be with this tight pressure gradient, so there will be a sharp cutoff with regards to how much snow areas see. But for now, temperatures are in the lower 30s in the Northwoods this morning. So the temperatures are there. The moisture's starting to move in. We have middle to upper 30s further down to the south. We're just waiting for that snow to arrive as our average high temperature is now at 40 degrees. Middle to upper 30s today and tomorrow. Upper 40s Friday. And then we're back in the 30s Saturday through Tuesday of next week. And of course, winds out of the northeast to the southwest at around 10 to 20 miles per hour already. We're just getting started with that. Gusty winds up to 40 miles per hour, not out of the question today and again for tonight. But once we head towards tomorrow, still some gusty winds up to around 15 to 20 miles per hour at times. For today, we have mid-30s, rain, snow, and wind to start, changing over to all snow. And of course, the winds will be continuing. Northeast wind at around 35 miles per hour, if not even 40 miles per hour at times. Tonight, 19 degrees, snow showers and wind early. The winds remain overnight. The snow will back off, then decreasing clouds late. North wind at around 35 miles per hour. Northwoods Furniture and Mattress 7-day forecast. Calmer for Thursday, the first day of spring, partly cloudy, highs in the upper 30s. We're dry Friday and Saturday. Notice Friday, upper 40s for the high temperature. More wintry precipitation then on the way. Sunday, Monday, and a Tuesday, temperatures then in the 30s.